development of embryo. Embryo is present inside the seed and it will start developing in its size, and the size means it is undergoing some sort of differentiation, because zygote is a structure which is unicellular and diploid that will undergo repeated number of divisions in different patterns and resulting into multicellular structure called as embryo. In this process, the unicellular structure, that is zygote, will undergo divisions, and in the meantime, so the first change which is taking place, that is zygote will be converted into proembryo. From proembryo, globular embryo will be formed. From the globular embryo, heart shaped embryo is formed, and from the heart shaped embryo, matured embryo is formed. So that is the change which is taking place in the structure from zygote to the mature embryo. So in this process, the two cell structure will be formed, and gradually it will be converted into a small structure, and from this one it will be converted into, by repeated divisions, it will be converted into a small globular structure like this. Which contains a suspensor, and from the globular structure it is converted into heart shaped structure. Like this. So this is a heart shaped structure, and finally it is converted into a matured embryo. In the matured embryo, there we can see the hypocotyl. These are the cotyledons. So this forms a radicle. This is the plumule. So here these are the changes from zygote to the proembryo to globular embryo to the heart shaped embryo and the matured embryo. So these are changes which are taking place during the development of the embryo. And finally this mature embryo which contains the cotyledons. So those cotyledons, when they germinate, will be giving rise to the primary leaves, and cotyledons are fleshy in nature, particularly in the dicots, which are laden with a lot amount of food materials. So till the plant start producing its own food material, till that time the cotyledons are serving as a nutritive structures from the embryo. So these are the changes which are taking place during the development of embryo.